Hi everyone, this is Gaston Ravindayas, a professional biomedical engineer and a member of Engineers Australia. Today I'm going to guide you how to master MSA and CDR report preparation for Engineers Australia. Initially, I would like to welcome you all to our Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel where engineering careers take off globally. If you are an engineer dreaming of migration to Australia, this video is just for you. Today, we will walk you through the Migration Skill Assessment or MSA and how to prepare a winning CDR report for Engineers Australia. Let's start with the basics. What is MSA or Migration Skills Assessment? The Migration Skills Assessment or MSA is a process conducted by Engineers Australia to assess whether your engineering qualifications and experience match Australian standards. This is a crucial step if you are applying for a skilled visa to Australia under categories like Skilled Independent Visa Subclass 189, Skilled Nominated Visa Subclass 190, or even Regional and Employer-Sponsored Visas. There are different paths in MSA, but for engineers from non-accredited countries, the most common route is through the Competency Demonstration Report. We call it CDR. So, what exactly is a CDR? A Competency Demonstration Report is a technical document that provides you meet the competencies of the engineering occupation you are applying for. It's not just about what degree you hold. Engineers Australia wants to see how you think, solve problems, and apply engineering knowledge in real-world situations. A CDR report includes CV, your curriculum vitae, CPD, continuing professional development, 3 career episodes, and summary statement. Let's break down each section. First one is your CV, your engineering journey. A professional resume showcasing your academic history, job roles, responsibilities, and achievements. Make it clear and concise, following Engineers Australia's guidelines. Second one is CPD, which is lifelong learning. A one-page table listing all activities you have done to improve your skills after graduation. Workshops, online courses, seminars, certifications, even webinars. Career episodes, the heart of your CDR. Each career episode is a story. You will write 3 essays containing 1000 to 2500 words each, describing your actual engineering work. Example, you can include your final year project, internship or industrial training reports, a key job project. You have to write in first person at the career episodes such as I analyzed, I led. Focus on problem solving, design, leadership, and impact. 1 project per episode. These are some of the examples that you have to keep in mind while writing the career episodes. Summary statement, the mapping sheet. This table links parts of your career episodes to specific competencies defined by Engineers Australia, like professional ethics, engineering applications, and communications. Now let's talk about what not to do. Copying content from others or the internet, because Engineers Australia uses strict plagiarism checks. Using too much technical jargon without context. Not showing your individual role. Team did is not enough. You have to use I did because you have to write that in your first person. Not following the correct format. There are several formats provided by Engineers Australia which you need to follow. At Healthcare Engineering Private Limited, we as professional biomedical engineers approved by Engineers Australia and being members of Engineering Australian community, we are very specialized in guiding engineers like you through every step of this MSA and CDR process. Our services include consultations and eligibility check, full support in writing career episodes, review and editing of CDRs, plagiarism check, guidance on summary statement and CV formatting. Why Engineers Australia matters? Engineers Australia is the official assessing authority recognized by the Australian Department of Home Affairs. Getting approved by them not only increases your migration success but also opens up opportunities in engineering roles across the country. With recognition like members of Institute of Engineers Australia, we can say MIE Aust. You also gain professional respect internationally. If you are ready to take the next step towards your Australian dream, we are here to help. You can contact us or email us, follow us on all social media platforms, have a look at our website. Every details are given below in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with all the professional engineers, especially your friends, colleagues, juniors, seniors, everyone who needs it. We will see you in the next video, another guidance in your own mother tongue, where we will cover how to write a winning career episodes. As professional biomedical engineers approved by Engineering Australia and being Engineering Australia's professional members, we are very happy to assist you and we are more than happy to support your dreams to come true to migrate to Australia. All our contact details are given below. You can drop a text at our WhatsApp number for further assistance. See you soon and we are happy to assist you to make your dream true.